Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Let me show you the error first. If I want to delete it, it's saying you need to provide the administrator permission to delete this folder. So if you are facing the same issue, this video is for you. I will show you step by step how to troubleshoot this issue. First of all, you need to click on a start menu and you need to note down your username. In my case, this is a Dell. Username is Dell. Okay, additionally you can press run command, open the CMD and type here who am I, and you can see here Dell username. Okay, so we need to cancel this. You need to right click on the folder which you want to delete, go to its properties, go to security, then you should be able to see this prompt. Just click on advanced and we need to change the ownership of this folder. So Dell username is here, just select a Dell and check name and you should be able to find it out. If you are not able to find it out, just advance, find now and just scroll down, look for your username here. This is the username. Just OK, click on OK and click on replace owner and subcontainers and subjects, apply, yes, OK. Now we have successfully changed the ownership of this folder. So click on advanced. Okay, Dell is username here. Now let me close this again, go to its properties and now you should be able to see it has full permission. If not, just click on add and select here the Dell username. In your case, select your username, select full permission here from here like this. If it is untick, just select this option, apply, OK and OK, and simply right click and simply delete it. Your issue will be fixed. So this is a quick tutorial guys, and I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.